So I've been letting my hair get a little crazy lately, like it's November, and I'm about to do my own cut. Show you guys what I do. So, got two blades. Got a number 1.5, and I use a peanut. That's it. Like, and the blades I used to have for the peanut I lost, so I use this from my old wall and hold it against here, and you'll see. Let's see if I can prop this. But yeah, you can see how crazy it looks. Especially, I don't know how to see. Oh, sides are about to be a transformation. Let's see. Woo, let's see. Hold on. I feel like I gotta get the full transformation. There we go. Oh man, that's ugly. Let's see if I can prop that just like that. I'm just gonna pause it. Hold on. Be right back. What it looks like. Look at that. Oh, that's butt. Ooh, I'm gonna play this another video. Hold on. Look at this transformation. I'm butt. Alright, getting there, getting there. Part 1. Let's continue. Better, better. Oh! Ooh. Probably can't hear the music in the background, so I look stupid, but damn, that looks pretty good. That's how I do my hair for 2 years straight, not going to the barber shop more than 2 years. I don't know, it's pretty simple, just a 1.5 and little fade there. There doesn't need to be nothing perfect. It looks good, so. And when I used to go to the barber shop, they used to do this, it looked the exact same. Well, I don't have a blade right now, so I can't do a sharp, make it a little bit sharper. That's the only difference with what they do, but it still looks just as good. Hold on. One last part. and I think I'm happy. Boom. It looked a little crooked, but other than that, so since Princeton was born, so like 2.5 years, I've been growing my hair. Look at this. Boom. Look at that. See, and with the cut, look brand new. So the barbershop's gonna do the same thing. Save my money. Peace out. Almost forgot one last part. This right here. I don't know if I showed it with the hair up, and I forgot. That's key. You know what it is. But yeah, mad hair, but can still make it look like I don't got no hair. See, I can't see it. Still look good. I like it. About to be going on for another, how many years am I gonna grow it longer? I don't know. We'll see. Thanks for watching. So this is my cut the next day. As you can tell, it looks crisp. I had to redo the mustache a little bit because this side was a little bit thicker. This part's going down more than this one, but just how the hair is growing at the moment. I'll show you with the hair up real quick. Hold on. Transformation. Looks clean. Looks like I don't got no hair when I'm like this until I go to the side. It's how I keep myself cleaned up for the past 2-3 years. And to continue. Peace out.